Welcome to Richpeace CAD software online lessons. Today teach you compasses. This tool, compasses, can be used to measure the distance between points. First, we can left-click to select a start point. Then, lengthen the line to another fixed line. This is named single compasses. Here we can input the length value to confirm the distance between the point with a fixed line. Click OK to finish. Like this, we can draw the shoulder line and the back waist line. Next, if we know the sleeve width, we can use this tool. Left-click, select the two segment points. Then drag out and left-click. Here, the first selected point means the first line. We can input the two armhole tilt line lengths. Click OK. This is named double compasses. OK, finish. Thanks for watching today's video. See you tomorrow.